Hello everyone, it's me Adrian, and in today's episode I want to play chess with MrBeast on chess.com. Of course it's a bot. Let's see if I can find him. Yes, because I found him recently, and for me it looks funny. Let's see what MrBeast knows. Okay, let's open like this. Let's block. Okay, let's what should I do? He will come here. It's not too bad for him. I will block that. He's attacking this. I defend that. He's coming with the queen. Where? Attacking, don't know where, but okay, I will take out my bishop. Okay, and he's opening this. He wants to come here. Let's defend. What? Why you move there? It's not good for you. Okay, let's see. Usually I attack. Let's see if I can move here. Let's see what he will... What he will do. He's coming with the horse here. Okie dokie. Okay, I will come here to stop the horse. The knight. He moved the pawn to take out this. I will try to do like... If I do like this, I intend to go there. But I don't know if I can. If I come here, he's taking... I can't reach that place. I will castle the king. Don't know if it's good. If he comes here, I have the bishop, the knight, and the pawn. What are you trying to do? He's trying to advance. Let's block. Now he can come with the knight. I understand. Free pawn. Thank you. And he's after my horse, after my knight. I will take it, because you have to move your queen. Okay, you attack this. I don't mind. And I step back. That's the only place where I can be for the moment. Let's see what we can do to beat MrBeast. Okay, so my queen is kind of trapped here. I can't move the pawn. I don't like this setup. If I move my queen here, I cannot advance. I will Yeah. Attack. Why? He's giving me for free the horse, the knight. Thank you. I don't know what's your strategy, MrBeast. Okay. And now I could put the rock here, no? Or the queen. No, the rock. So he cannot take my pawn. Why you do this? I take this, you take this. So MrBeast, we go here and attack the king, this pawn, or this position. Oh, I didn't see that. Beautiful, but not enough. Okay, let's see. What is MrBeast going to do? If I move here, no, I'll leave it like this. What is he trying to do? He cannot reach my king. He can't take this. I think he will castle. I think. Okay, let's see what I can. I stop his king from castling. Okay. Okie dokie. So if I go with the knight, I can't take this. Oh my god. A bit of stuck. I can take this for free. Okay. Let's see MrBeast. What is he going to do? Okay. Where should I go? If I go here? No. If I check him in this position, he will be checkmate. Let's see. If I move here. Yes. He would be checkmate. What is he doing? He's attacking. I don't know what he's trying to do, but if I do this, and he's taking my, he will be, we'll try. Oops. And now I will take this. I don't know what's the story with him, why he is doing this. Okay. I block it. What's next? Okay. And if I check here, he should be checkmate. Yes, he is checkmate, or he's giving me for free the queen. Check. Yes. Thank you, MrBeast. And now yeah. I should be going there. Yeah, he will be checkmate. Over here. Okay, that's it. I thought it would be harder, but it's not. Okay, that was my game with MrBeast. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Bye-bye.